So it's time to go out. Let's get into the fit. Y'all, I really need a big mirror because this mirror is not giving. It's too tiny and it's not working. Anyways, let's get into the fit. So what we have on, this top is Shein. The entire clothes is from Shein. The wedge, I think it's from Amazon or Shein. I don't remember. I have this for years. Bag, MK. Jewelry, earring, MK. The chain, a local store here. The rings are from Shein. My watch and Klein. And the bracelet over this side, I got it from a local store here too. And this other bracelet, you guys can't even see. I got it from, you still can't see it. Anyways, yeah, I got this from a jewelry store, this one. So this is a cute fit. We are headed to Janga's. The girl is looking skinny. Do y'all see the legs? I don't like it. I don't like it. Starting next year, I do plan on putting on a little weight plus the gym. But I have to start the gym first, then I'll start putting on a little weight. I don't know if I'm loving this skinny back. I like it, yeah. But I don't know, it's probably because my clothes can't fit me and I haven't like purchased anything. I'm still wearing the same clothes. I think that's the problem. But anyways, get into the cute fit. Looking very cute. It definitely looks dark, but yeah, this is a vibe. I'm waiting for a pickup. I will see you guys yeah, when we outside at Janga's.
Oh, you thought this was a game, huh? Oh, you slept, you missed the range, huh? I don't switch sides, still the same, huh? 101 is for my name, huh? Told you this is not a game. Done playing, time to live up to my name.
If you're a wig wearer, you know that sometimes
bands make her dance. Bands make her dance. Bands make her dance.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. So, y'all see the fits? I'm wearing this Fashion Nova sweater dress that I got. I think I've showed you guys this before. It's a Sunday, by the way, so I did go out last night to show you guys that, and then we ended up at Ribby's as usual. I'll show you guys a little clip of that. But Ribby's was so fun. It wasn't like jam-packed last night because there were so many shows happening. There was streets, there was a popcorn concert happening, there was Footloose, like there was so many big events happening last night, August 30th. So that means today is August 31st, the last of August, the last of summer. Guys, September, we're pushing forward, we're pushing harder come tomorrow, September 1st. Oh my god, September 1st is a Monday. It's school tomorrow, right? Boo-hoo. I ain't got no school, but possibly 2026 we're gonna have school because we need to go back to do some stuff. Yeah, so back to today. Heading to the movies, gonna watch Fantastic Four. I got invited out to watch Fantastic Four, so super excited. Let's get into the fit. So I don't even know if you guys can see me. Let's bring this down. All right, perfect. So like I told you guys, Fashion Nova. We're gonna wear this bag. Super cute. We wet our hair, give it a little curly vibe, and we're gonna be wearing sandals. Now, sneakers would have definitely give me that vibe, but I'm not too fond of how I feel about sneakers right now. I want to be super cute because of these earrings that I have in, which I don't think it fits my face. But we're still gonna wear it because it brings up our face and we're not wearing any makeup. So I'm gonna wear a cute gold sandals on my feet. It's by the door, so you guys won't see that. But yeah, cute fits. Love it. Oh, and it has this at the back where you can cover your head, but of course we're not going to be using this. Like, I wish it didn't have this, to be honest, because hello, I don't live overseas. Okay, I don't live in foreign. But yeah, cute vibe. Have our regular gold jewelry as usual, and yeah, let's go watch movies. Oh, because by the way, I didn't get to go I Love Souls last week, and I'm hoping we can go after the movie. Not sure yet, but we'll see. If it doesn't work out, that's fine. It's a Sunday and I definitely need to rest. Last night was super fun. Got home a little bit before 4 a.m. So we're gonna need some rest for a brand new week. Brand new September week, September 1st, and we're pushing forward and putting in the work. What's up, guys? It is a Monday. Happy Monday to you. So we just have quite a bit of errands to do today. One, we need to go to the ATM, withdraw, deposit into another account. Two, we need to do our hair. Our hair is trash, okay? So I'm gonna go to the hair store and get something. I also need to do a protein treatment, so I'm also gonna get that ready. So that is the plan for today. Better. It's better. Guys, it is setting up to rain. I can't believe it. And I didn't get the hair that I wanted, but I bought shampoo and I need to do a protein treatment, so I bought hair mayonnaise. It is about to pop in rain. I'm gonna go to another hair store, get the hair that I want, and then I'm gonna head home because I still need to stop at the ATM. I'm gonna have to do the ATM because the ATM is a priority right now. So I'm gonna quickly go to the ATM, go to the hair store, and then I really need a patty. I haven't had anything. Well, lie. Did I have any breakfast this morning? Oh my god, I haven't ate from morning, y'all. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna get something to eat as well. Well, let me get out of here because the rain is about to pop. So I grabbed my patty. Here it is. I'm gonna devour it right now in the car. I have another ATM stop to do. So I'm just gonna go to Constant Spring and just do that ATM. I was planning to go home because it's after 3 o'clock. By the way, school started today, Monday, September 1. Oh, happy new month if I didn't say it. Oh my god, blessings on the new month, y'all. Yeah, so I was thinking to just go another location for the ATM, but seeing that sometime when I go to that location the cash deposit never works, it just always spits out back the money, I'm going to go to Constant Spring Bank and do that. So that's where we're gonna head to do my final business and then head home off this road before 5 o'clock. But traffic is building up right now and it's literally after 3. Listen, I first mega eat one patty with my braces, but I've been eating bread with it. When I went to the movies last night, I had a hot dog, not remembering my having braces. But I ate when I'm eating the bread, I bite it on the side, pretty much. So I'm gonna try this patty. Y'all, I still haven't gotten a thing to hold my phone so we can chat in the car. I need to do better. So I wasted my mother time coming to this ATM because it's not depositing, only the drive-through, and that line is so long. So my ass should have just went home. I'm just gonna go home and come out back in the night. That's the only solution at this time. I'm not gonna even try another ATM. I'll just take my ass to New Kingston later. Hopefully there's no patty in my teeth while I'm talking to you guys. So guys, I am home, all parked up. But I can't get in. Well, I could, because I have an umbrella, but right now it's raining too hard. I don't even want to get out the car right now. And I'm gonna have to do 2 trips. So I'm just gonna wait till the rain calm down a little, then I'll start going inside because I can't be bothered. The stuff that I have, well, it could be one, you know, but I'm gonna have to pull the grill and all of that jazz. So it's gonna be 2 trips. I bought a slice of cake from Sugar and Spice too. Did you guys know that the cost for a slice of cake is $220? This is very small, and then a cupcake is $330. But the slice of the cake and the cupcake, they're almost, you know, identical in sizing. So why is a cupcake $330 and a regular slice of cake is $220? Like I said, granted, it's small, but the price is not matching up with a cupcake. Why is a cupcake $330? Oh, beats me. Their cake is so good. My wedding cake, hopefully, if I'm gonna have a wedding, if I'm gonna be married, it's gonna be Sugar and Spice, like no doubt.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. So can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. This world can be an ugly place. Sometimes it brings out the worst in us. But when I see your pretty face, it all fades away. Let me climb up your mountain. Let me search through your...
So guys, let me start off by saying I am using the front camera of my phone. I have a 12 Pro Max and I should not be using the front part of the camera. However, yeah, I just wanted to see my face. Like, this is why I need to get a camera in, or I need to upgrade my phone where I can still use a front camera. However, I don't think even when I do upgrade my phone, I'm not going to be using the front camera because I want the best quality, and the best quality is at the back. Anyways, it's September 3rd, and September 3rd is Jamaica. It's election day today. So everybody's outside. It's actually raining right now. I'm home. Everybody's outside voting and exercising their utmost right, which they should. Yeah, so when I'm home, Did I vote? I did not, and I will not be going into why I haven't voted. But I will say though, that I will be looking into voting for the next time around, in the next 4 years. With that time, I will have enough time to research, check on the policies that both parties are, you know, putting forward, and then I'll be able to make my decision then. It's raining like crazy, and it's 3:22, and voting doesn't close off until 5 o'clock. So there is a bit of time left. However, it's raining. But I'll definitely will be watching. I've seen all the excitement on TikTok and Instagram. Everybody's using the colors and the voting and all of that. So I hope, people still, even though it's raining, I hope people are exercising their right to vote and all that. But by the way, y'all saw the pictures that I did this morning. It burned, but it still tastes good. Don't watch the blackness of it. Black is beauty, and my pictures was good. Okay? So on the agenda today, I will be doing my hair. I washed my hair 2 days ago, and I just need to do something with my hair, y'all. My hair is just a total mess. It needs to be relaxed, but I'm not ready to relax it as yet. So I'm going to be doing my hair. I'm going to show you guys the hair. Yeah, so I've literally wore this hair like multiple times. You guys should know this. I even have a video on my channel, so I'll be using these springy upward twists, and it's in the color 30. I did not want it in the black. I wanted to do something new, and also it's just gonna be in my hair for probably the most 2 weeks, to be honest. So we're going to be doing our hair right now. I'm not gonna do like a whole tutorial or whatever. I do have a tutorial. Put it up in the card so you guys can see. Put it down in the comments so you guys can see too. But yeah, I'm gonna I'm not working. I took the rest of the day off. Let my company know that it's election day today. So I requested, time to vote, which is my right, isn't it? So yeah, I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos and do my hair. I'm trying to finish by tonight. Not gonna do it too small, just medium size, and then because I just want to be done with and just relax. For the rest of the day, 3:25. Let's see how long this takes me to finish.
Oh, guys.
So guys,
It's almost saved her the money she needs to come on.
guys.
Just feel me.
So people, why did I believe that I could have finished my hair in a span of 2 hours? Right now it's 9 p.m. and of course I'll stop at 8, I'll shower, do all of that in between. But yeah, this is definitely not going to be finished for tonight, knowing how I am. But however, it's still election day, and I am watching it on YouTube. They're showing it's basically the results show of what's happening. I think currently JLP is leading. I think this looks lead. Yeah, currently that's what it seems like. JLP is leading and whatever, but I'm watching it live to keep up to date and all of that. I did go on the road and pick up some pizza. Let me show you guys. Give me a second. Yeah, so picked up Domino's. Ordered it online and then I pick it up. Just a small thing that I buy because it's just me alone. Yeah, so it's just me alone, so I'm just gonna buy a small one. I just sauce it with pepperoni and onions. So I'm gonna break from my hair eat. Currently I'm watching a Netflix show. It's called Split. The next thing, the internet is not working. On a big election day, the internet is moving very, very slow. Very, very slow. So a lot is happening currently. But I'm just gonna take a break from this here. I'm loving it so far. Really liking it. But I haven't even reached half my video. I think one more row I would get to half. You know what? Yeah, one more row and I'll get to half my hair. Wait, what's that? I'm gonna have to rewind that show. Did you guys watch Split on Netflix? Yeah, I'm gonna rewind it and watch it. I don't know what just happened just now. So this is my first time eating pizza with this metal thing. It should be fine because I've been eating bread. I've been eating everything except bone. I have a big tree in my bone. I can't chew my bone. And I was told to avoid curry. Really, really sad, but I haven't had any curry. And I also mostly eat on the side of my mouth. Where's the pepper?
Give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me to the moon?